Hello everyone, my name is Vikas Saini and today we are going to talk with Mr. Ishan who has scored 8.5 bands in IELTS exam. Can you believe it's 8.5 band in IELTS exam and 9 bands he has scored in reading and listening, it's amazing, and 7.5 in writing and speaking. So first and foremost, very congratulations to you Mr. Ishan, and the first question is that how you are feeling after scoring this much?
Well, thank you, Vikas, for those nice words and for having me here as well. I'm feeling great, and my first reaction was of relief that I don't have to give the test again, and that I cleared it in the first attempt itself. So I'm happy.
So, which exam you have given, academic or general?
I had given general exam,
Okay. So it's a computer based or pen or paper?
paper based.
Paper based exam you have given.
Yes.
Which one is more comfortable? Can you please describe about that?
I hadn't done much writing on paper before this test came, but
Okay.
but but it was just a matter of few days to get used to, and after that, I feel it's paper based was better because you read faster in a paper based test, and it's academically proven as well that people read faster on paper than on computers. So I
Okay.
would recommend a paper based test.
Okay. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
So, did you took any coaching for a IELTS exam or you were preparing on your own?
Yes, I did take a coaching, which was online. So I'm here in USA, and I took a uh, I took coaching classes from Success Sutras, which is an Indian-based coaching center.
Okay. So you are in US right now. So it's
Yeah,
thing for all those people who think that people who are living in English speaking countries don't require a tutor for English language, right?
yeah, yeah.
They requires a tutor and for IELTS exam and for English language. Okay, it's
Yeah.
great. So, can you please describe something about your mentor? That how you took coaching from there, and for the past how many days you were taking coaching from there?
Sure. So I took classes for about 1.5 months prior to my exam, and and my teacher was Vani ma'am, and uh, it was great having her throughout the learning process,
Mhm.
as she pointed a lot of areas where I had to improve, and I constantly took her suggestions. So it was very useful for me.
Okay, you want to give any special tips that you learned from your tutor that which are beneficial for you when you gave your IELTS exam and some special tips that you want to tell our future students.
Sure. One great tip regarding the speaking section was that she said at least ex- I at least come across do 50 different speaking topics, so that I have almost covered every type of scenario before a test day, and that helped me a lot to feel confident when during on the test day. So that would be the first suggestion I would give. And as for the second suggestion, I would say uh, she also told me about to follow a pattern of in the writing essay,
Mhm.
and which initially I was not. So, but as I started following, I saw I was saving time for myself.
Okay, so you
Yes.
are following the format of the essay, right?
Yes.
Actually, these tips are very beneficial for students. It's like a guidance from senior.
Yeah.
Okay, so these tips certainly will be beneficial for them. Okay, so so next question that how was your experience with your tutor? Did you feel comfortable?
Oh yes, I had a great time learning with her, and I realized a lot of areas I had to work on. And because I had somebody who could point those errors out, I learned
Yeah.
faster. So uh, that was the great, and yes, like you said, I was very comfortable. It was a homely environment with whom I could share any of my doubts and fears, and she would find a better way to deal with them. So
Something special you want to describe about your tutor?
yeah, so one thing is that you can reach out to her any time of the day and she will respond. And she checks all your essays. So you can send her as many and she will give an opinion on that. So these were very handy for me because I'm in America. So it was nice to have her on call every now and then.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So, would you recommend our Success Sutra to upcoming students?
Yes, I would. There is only a lot of positives to take from working with Success Sutras, and based on my experience, I would recommend anyone.
Okay, it's great. So, Ishan, would you like to give some special tips about the reading section?
Yes, sure, Vikas. I believe that one should read from a lot of different sources and not just IELTS essays. And that's why I would say absorb your, dive into magazines. For instance, I was reading The Economist during my preparation, and one can explore any other magazine which has complex essays where they discuss all kinds of scenarios on a topic. That will not only help you in reading, but it will also help you to develop ideas for writing. So I would say that is one very important thing.
And anything special that you want to tell about the upcoming students and to tell the people who are preparing for the IELTS exam? Anything special? Special
Uh,
tips or
yes, so I would say I'll give you two tips here. The first is that one should know where they are in the learning process and improve iteratively towards their goal, uh, and should face all their mistakes. As many mistakes as you do in the training session, it's good for you. And second thing I would say is on the test day,
yes?
just be as you're confident self, and try to put the best foot forward and don't be worried about whatever wrongs you did in the training time. So yeah, those are the two things I would say.
It's really factual and it's really beneficial for student. We should be confident before giving the speaking exam or any exam if we are giving. We should be confident so that we can, that avoid the mistakes and all, and confidently giving answers. Right.
Yes,
So
for sure.
yes. So thank you, Ishan, and once again, congratulations for your score and all the best for your future. All the best for your future. Thank you.
Thanks Vikas for having me, and I wish everybody the best.
Thank you. Bye bye.
All right, bye bye.